Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a new Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is my birthday gift to myself. So the ribbon's kind of messed up. I pulled it. It was sticking out of the box, so I messed it up. And then here's the receipt and the return label in case I want to return it. Let me get this out of the box. Let's get the box out of the way. So, I don't know if you guys have seen the Escale collection. The new, like, tie-dye. Well, it's not tie-dye. It's, like, looks more like an ombre collection. So, that's what I ordered. So, it comes in the cute little box. I love these boxes because I could always use them either to decorate the closet, or as well as I do like to keep the boxes and put stuff inside. As you know, you're supposed to not keep your products inside the box. The canvas does need to breathe, so you need to take it out of the box once in a while. So it comes in its cute little dust bag. So this is my second Kirigami set. I'll put the link below on my other video so you guys can see it. I'll probably film a better video of it eventually, but this is me opening it. So yeah, so I really liked it because the colors are unique. It's not, you know, a regular monogram, and it does have silver hardware, which I think it's really good. They usually don't. The other ones are gold, so I really like it. And then you can see the logo in the back. It's really cute. Perfect for the summer. Cute for Easter, since Easter already passed. But this is my other buy of the quarantine. So this one's made in France, as you can see. And it's silver hardware. And if you don't know about Kirigami sets, 3 little bags come in it. So that's the first one. It's cute and pink. And this is the second one. So originally I bought it because I fell in love with this in the picture. But now that I'm thinking about it, you can't really put much stuff in here. This one fits a passport, which is cute. You can put some lipsticks, your passport, other little things, and stick it in your bag. So, which is cute, but now thinking about it, I think I would use this one better. I do have the other one on the monogram, and I do use it a lot. I got it like a month or two ago, and I really like it. So I think I really will use this. To make the piece stand out, I believe more like a white outfit or all black. Maybe like a shade of blue will look cute. I don't know yet how I'm gonna use it, but I really like it. These bags are supposed to fit like an iPad, but they're pretty large. I like to throw my phone in there, a lipstick, a lip balm, a little mirror. The other wallet of this, on my other Kirigami set, the little brown one, I like to put it in here and use it like a bag. I did eventually purchase an insert with the chain. Probably show you guys in another video, and I do like to use it as a to carry it like a crossbody. The only downfall is where the chain comes out right here. It did damage my other one a little bit, which I don't want to damage this one. I think I'm gonna use it just under my arm. But if you guys have any thoughts on how you guys use it, just comment below, give me some ideas. This one is the one I was telling you guys that I fell in love with the pattern. I didn't buy the big one. They do have like a tote and a handbag, which I should look into it, but I ended up buying something else. But this is my little birthday gift that I bought myself, and then as well as made in Paris. Well, this is made in France. I read Paris on top. Okay, and then so same. And then this one I'm in love with. I love pink. As you guys can see in my videos, my hair is pink. Recently dyed it pink. But anyways, I really love this. I wish this was the big one, or if they would have made this one in the big one, would have been great. Or they would have just made a set with all 3 colors. I would have bought all 3 sets just because they're so cute. So this is a cute small one. This one usually you can put your cards. I I like to put my credit cards, go to the store, same Made in France. They're really, if you're looking for like a first set, I think this is like the best thing to do. I have gotten, I did the other set and I love it for so many reasons. You can use it, you really do use it because everybody uses their ID, their cards. So this is like super practical. You just put it in your pocket, put it in your jean jacket, your shorts, anywhere, and you just carry all your cards, and it's kind of it's really secure, you know, nothing's gonna fall out. This size, I haven't really used it in my other one, but I fell in love with this one, so I'm definitely gonna use it. My phone's too big for it, but definitely find what to do with it. Like I told you guys, the other one, I do put my lipsticks, stuff like that in here. And then this one, again, it's the big one, and this is the set. It retails for about $1,020, I think. I don't recall. And then the big bag. So the other Kirigami set that I have, the box is bigger and small and like taller and shorter. I don't know how to explain it. Like it's like this big. So it's cool because I have a different box in a way, so I can use something with it. And then I have this super cute new set. I hope I was able to help one of you guys decide and kind of look how it looks in the camera. And yeah, this is the new Kirigami set that I got. So this is made in 2020, in case you guys are seeing it later on in the future. Bye till next time, guys. I will put links below on my other Louis Vuitton items so you guys can kind of see my unboxings. If you guys want to see a more thorough how I put stuff in them, just comment or like it, and I'll definitely make a video on how I use them on day-to-day basis, or when I choose to wear them, or with what outfit. But there it is. Till next time, guys. Bye.